Stella, you know I am the Koopa King. Of every throne I've taken, I am proud. Beata, Stella, you hear my armies roar and sing the praises of a ruler feared and crowned. Then tell me, Stella, why does her castle shine? Why does her crown keep burning through my sleep? I see her, I hear her, her voice, her gold, her eyes divine. A princess flame no lava pit can keep. Like fire, hellfire, this fire in my shell, this hunger, this choir is dragging me to hell. It's not my fault, I'm not to blame. She smiled upon my kingdom, and my kingdom caught the flame. It's not my fault if stars command, if stars command, that Peach should stand beside the greatest king in all the land. Protect me, Stella. Don't let that plumber steal my sky. Don't let his little mustache mock my throne. I burned the Snow King's palace. I brought the star down from on high. I built a crown for her from fire and stone. She will see me, she will need me. Not that red-capped little fool. Not some pipe-crawling nobody from below. I am thunder, I am conquest, I am Bowser, I am rule. And yet one princess word can make me low. Like fire, hellfire, this fire makes me weak. This yearning, this empire still bends when I hear Peach. It's not my fault, I'm not insane. A king deserves a queen to match the fury of his reign. It's not my fault if she won't see, if she won't see that every world I conquer is a wedding gift from me. King Bowser! The princess has escaped the altar! What? And the plumber has reached the lava bridge with Donkey Kong and the Toad and the plumber! I tried to stop them, sire, but silence, you useless wand-waving party decoration! Ready the army, ready the star! If Peach will not walk to my throne, then the whole Mushroom Kingdom will crawl to it. Hellfire! Dark fire! Now Peach, hear my vow! Choose your king, or your kingdom shall kneel before me now. No more songs, no more pleading, no more soft piano keys. If love won't crown me willingly, then fear will bring you to your knees. Star, have mercy on her. Star, have mercy on me. But she will be mine, or my fire takes everything. Hellfire, my fire, let the dark lands burn bright. If Peach denies Bowser, Bowser ends the light.